First, the top news headlines. Manipur observes 80th Nupilan Memorial Day. Curfew paralyzes life in Guwahati. Anti-CAB protest continues unabated. Modi assures Assam people nothing to worry about CAB. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. Manipur is observing the 80th Nupilan Day today to mark the historic Manipuri Women's War that took place on this very day of 1939. The state government organized an observance function at the Nupilan Memorial Complex in Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren and Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar attended the function as chief guest and president. Several dignitaries, leaders of women organizations from across the state and people from all walks of life attended the function. Chief Minister Biren led the participants in offering floral tributes to all the departed souls at the memorial complex. As a part of the event, the state-level Nupilan Ningsing Lamjel Organizing Committee organized the 28th Nupilan Memorial Run, which was participated by hundreds of young and old women. The run was flagged off from Nupilal Memorial Complex and ended at Supermarket Singjamay. Normal life in Guwahati came to a grinding halt this morning after an indefinite curfew was imposed in the city last evening after anti-CAB protests turned violent. Media reports say that several vehicles in the city were set ablaze by the angry protesters, forcing the district administration to impose the curfew and call in the army. Most streets were a deserted look with vehicular traffic mostly remaining off the road. Police were seen patrolling the roads and they urged everyone to remain indoors during the curfew. Educational institutions, business establishments and other financial organizations were declared closed. People defied curfew in Guwahati this morning to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill as the situation remained tensed throughout Assam, with the army conducting flag march in the city. Guwahati, the epicenter of anti-CAB protests, was placed under indefinite curfew last night, while the army was called in at 4 places and Assam Rifles personnel were deployed in Tripura yesterday as the 2 northeastern states plunged into chaos over the hugely emotive bill, according to media reports. All Assam Students' Union has called for a protest this morning in Guwahati. People were on the roads in the night despite curfew. The army conducted a flag march in the city early morning. Vehicles were stranded in various cities of Assam due to heavy blockade. Half a dozen vehicles were burned. The houses of the BJP and the AGP leaders were attacked in various parts of the state. Against the backdrop of violent protests in Assam opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill, Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured the people of the state today that they have nothing to worry about the new law. In a series of tweets in both Assamese and English, the Prime Minister said he personally and the central government are totally committed to constitutionally safeguard the political, linguistic, cultural and land rights of the Assamese people as per the spirit of Clause 6. The Clause 6 of the Assam Accord guaranteed safeguarding local rights, language and culture. Several incidents of violence have been reported from the northeastern state following the passage of the bill by Parliament. The law seeks to grant citizenship to non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan facing persecution there. Let's take a short commercial break now. Coming up next, Rani Gaidenliu Park cleaned ahead of her 105th birth anniversary.
Manipuri ahanba amadi adongi khwaidagi pamjaba satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV Airtel DTH ki channel number 646 ta fangbiragani. Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 AM to 2:30 PM. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects Science, Social Science and Mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Ano bamadi nungai pa, government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani. ICS coaching center na 100% job phangna bagi damakta guarantee pidron lagli. India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal so hanagan. ICS ki thoidoba officers singdi course amakak ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department singi haibadi banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court haibu singa sidida thabak line phangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na minute mari natraga manga sangadaba question singbu second ahum natraga mari da solve to bangamale. Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chawju thamjari. For details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achin ba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitayananda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni
Sangai Tuition Center. Admission open for revision course for class 10 and 12. Classes are going on. New foundation course for class 6 to 10 and 12. Classes commencing on 19 December. Mock tests will be held on every Sunday with spoken class for English and Hindi. Mathematical technique for better understanding and acquire more scientific knowledge. We also provide study materials. Vision for toppers. 10% fee concession for students of government schools. 20% fee concession for local students. 50% fee concession for physically challenged students. Hostel for boys and girls. Van service available. For details, please contact Sangai Tuition Center, Kokwa or call us at 98561 55400 or 8787 690 436.
Welcome back after the break. In connection with the 80th Nupilan Day observance and 105th birth anniversary of Hypo Rani Gaidenliu on January 26, a cleaning program was conducted today at Rani Gaidenliu Park located at Manipuri, Imphal. It was jointly organized by Kabui Mothers Association, KAMA, Manipur and Tingkau Ragwang, Chapriak Chabuan Phum Manipur, TRCCPM. More than 120 volunteers took part in the program. Talking to Times of Manipur Television, Education Secretary of TRCCPM, Kambui Gangmei, appealed to everyone to come and join the upcoming 105th birth anniversary celebration of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinliu.
Youth mayam amala raga akoi tingkaw rogong chaprek chabon phom haiba youth organization asigi makha asida akoi na mayam asi laraga akoi haipai Rani Gaidinliu yamna phidam ningai oirba freedom fighter mahakpu akoi na value tausi amasi magi ideology mayam asi follow tawraga akoi gi youth ki role asi yam lei haiba takpaga loina nang asigi social service asi pangthok charibani.
Commenting on the recent incident wherein Rani Gaidinliu tomb located at Luangka was allegedly vandalized by 23 Assam Rifles, General Secretary of KAMA, Ranjita Golmei, termed the incident as dishonoring the late freedom fighter. She asserted that KAMA strongly condemns the incident. She also urged the state government to look into the matter. Ranjita also appealed to the Chief Minister and Biren to start the developmental work at the venue as promised earlier.
Rani Gaidinliu Foundation che Nagaland base neba. Moiga 23 Assam Rifle kaimai gi posta taba as in collaboration with Rani Gaidinliu Foundation. Mabani asiga without consulting village authority the consult of the bida herakaga. Masi Rani Gaidinliu gi mong pampong pam lamdam da leiri baneba matam lay asai kuding de ira thawni tawra tawriba mafam masi desertion to bi baneba yamna violent oiba dismantle to bi baneba magi mong pam de phajana thambi kredana natabidi in a proper place tourist myamna lagazu amana lagazu phajana mafam sana thamse haibani da aduna tabida traditional ritual tawriba mafam ji da moina thugairaga thamba laite haibagi type to tawriba se yamna penjade phongdok chapni.
Chandel Battalion of 26 Assam Sector Assam Rifles inaugurated a toilet block constructed at the office of the district soldier sponsored by Headquarter IGAR South, Chandel Assam Rifles under the Civic Action Program 2019. The function was attended by officials of Soldier Board, ex-servicemen, Veer Nari and widows. Manipuri Battalion of 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of HQ IGAR South organized a health awareness drive at Yangangpopi Primary School yesterday. The program was organized with an aim to spread awareness on importance of maintaining good health, a press release said. Chanura Lamjingbatomtv Kangleipak CLK credited implementation of inner line permit in Manipur to all the people of the state. In a press release, CLK maintained that ILPS has been introduced in Manipur because of the movement and tireless efforts of the masses. CLK also hailed Union Home Minister Amit Shah for introducing ILP in Manipur. Congress President Sonia Gandhi called the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill a dark day in the constitutional history of India and said it marks the victory of narrow-minded and bigoted forces over India's pluralism. The bill fundamentally challenges the idea of India that our forefathers fought for and in its place creates a disturbed, distorted and divided India where religion will become a determinant of nationhood, Gandhi added. According to reports, Sonia Gandhi said that the bill is not just an affront to the eternal principles of equality and religious non-discrimination that have been enshrined in our constitution, but represents a rejection of an India that would be a free nation for all the people, irrespective of religion, region, caste, creed, language or ethnicity. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9 December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307-245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawbugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Traditional Healing Center. Adungai ipa ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidakna laying jari. Iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari. Hakchangi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagatpangamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni. Ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpat 795004. Contact number 961-255-8587.
India ki ahanba amasung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupa ga punna sanamina bagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba jimni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churasampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chingbagi sanaba khudongchaba su phangbigani. Ayuk pung mga dagina numidang pung nipan phauba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsin birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churasampur Parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets krayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Imbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro je. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chaw pijari.
Welcome back. The Chilean Air Force said it had located debris believed to be from a military cargo plane that crashed this week with 38 people aboard over a remote stretch of frigid sea between South America and the Antarctic. In a statement by the Air Force, the debris was found 30 kilometers south of where the plane last made contact. The parts were being recovered for analysis to determine if they belonged to the Hercules C-130 cargo plane. As per media reports, the Brazilian Ministry of Defense also said in a statement that one of its ships had recovered personal items and debris compatible with the plane about 500 kilometers from the southern Argentine city of Ushuaia in Patagonia. The aircraft, which was heading to a base in Antarctica, disappeared shortly after taking off late on Monday from the southern city of Punta Arenas in Chilean Patagonia. The Air Force concluded early the next morning that the aircraft must have crashed given the number of hours it had been missing. The flight, which was carrying 17 crew members and 21 passengers, appeared routine until the moment it disappeared. Now let's take a look at the sports news. A three-day district-level inter-youth club sports meet 2019 began yesterday at Haikreng Mokong Ground, Taubal. The sports meet is jointly organized by Nehru YUVA Kendra, Taubal, in association with DLCYC Tokpam organized. District Program Manager C.H. Basant Singh, DLCYC President Atokpam L. Romendro Singh, Member of District Advisory Committee on Youth Program NYK Taubal, K. Lokendro Singh, attended the opening event. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, two of India's batting mainstays, have ended 2019 as the joint highest run-getters in T20 internationals. In what was India's last T20I of the year last evening, Virat and Rohit came out with exceptional battling performances as the hosts took the West Indies bowlers to the cleaners at the wicket and went on to clinch the three-match series 2-1. After West Indies put India to bat first, Rohit scored 71 while the Indian captain scored 70, as a result of which both are tied at 2,633 runs each in T20Is. The Indian skipper has accumulated these runs in 75 matches and 70 innings at an average of 52.66. Rohit, on the other hand, needed 104 matches, 96 innings to score the same number of runs at an average of 32.10. While Virat has scored 24 half-centuries in his T20I career so far, Rohit has hit 1950s. India are now scheduled to play three-match ODI series against West Indies beginning Sunday in Chennai. After that, they will play three T20Is against Sri Lanka in early January next year. Now let's go through the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. CAB protests turned violent in Assam. 25 injured and police crackdown in Dibrugarh. Curfew imposed. Internet snapped in 10 districts. Anti-minorities. Delhi Association of Manipur Muslims on CAB. Now ILPS extended to Manipur. Imphal Free Press. Rajya Sabha gives passage to Citizenship Bill. Modi calls it Landmark Day. Curfew clamped in Guwahati as anti-CAB protest turns violent. Chief Minister Biren expresses gratitude to central leaders for ILP's gift. ILP will not save indigenous population, says Congress. The People's Chronicle. Violent protest against CAB in Assam, Tripura. Curfew imposed in Guwahati. AMSU sets 24-hour deadline to release arrested members. AMSU urges government to understand the reason for anti-CAB protest in protected Northeast states. ILPS extension official, no more CAB fear, says Biren. Manipur Mail. Rajya Sabha passes CAB. ILPS extended to Manipur, says Chief Minister Biren.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur observes 80th Nupi Land Memorial Day. Curfew paralyzes life in Guwahati. Anti-CAB protest continues unabated. And Modi assures Assam people nothing to worry about CAB. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.